I'm Gunjan Sinha. I'm the chairman of the board of CFHI, and I'm proud to be part of this wonderful organization. Really, this came about a decade back almost when Evelyn and I first met, and we had this instant kind of confluence of our vision of how we wanted to see global health, issues being addressed and solved through education, through participation, through the, really taking the power of the youth and people who really could contribute. So that's how we kind of got started, and I still remember CFHI in those early days, and from where it has really now become a global organization with so much contributions around the world. So it feels I feel really proud of that. And working very closely with Steve, yourself, and with Evelyn, it's an absolute pleasure. And I'm also very proud of the board which we have assembled. Really people who care for creating impact, making impact in the world, especially in the underdeveloped, impoverished parts of the world, and really bringing together the power of, bringing people together for these purposes. I've been an entrepreneur all my life since I can remember. I've started a number of companies, I've sold companies, I've taken companies public, and being, literally, born in India, and then, it came to Silicon Valley 25 years back. CFHI, really caught my attention amongst many nonprofits and organizations which I talked about. Really the model which we have created here, there's a lot of self-sufficiency here. The way we really bring the students together, the way they get credits from the university, it is not one of those typical donor-supported organization, but this is where we are really income generating to be able to sustain and grow our programs and our impact in the world. That's what gets me excited, and I absolutely believe that in the next 4 or 5 years, CFHI is going to further, continue to lead the thinking around the global health. I'm glad to be here, and I really would urge people to look at us. I mean, what the recognitions that we got from the Clinton Foundation, our recent, kind of selection as part of the United Nations program and so forth. We are doing some great stuff, and we need, everyone, with their talent, with their time, with their resources, to come together behind a cause which I personally believe is very, very unique and powerful.